In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a three-way call on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with coworkers, organizing a project meeting, or just need to connect multiple people quickly, setting up a call using Microsoft Teams is simple and efficient. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams platform. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're using a modern web browser for the best experience. Upon entering the Teams interface, you'll see various navigation options. Look for the Chat option, which is prominently displayed in the menu. Click on it to access your existing chats and the option to start new ones. Once you're in the chat section, glance towards the top of your screen, where you'll typically find a small human icon or an option labeled Add Member. This is your cue to initiate adding people to your chat. Click on that icon and a menu will appear, offering you further actions. Next, you'll see an option titled Add People. Select it, and you will be prompted to enter the name of the person you'd like to add to your call. Ensure that the individual you are looking for is already part of your organization's Teams directory, otherwise you might need to invite them beforehand. Start typing in the member's name, and as you do so, Microsoft Teams will suggest matches based on the directory. Once you see the correct person, click on their name to select them. Repeat this step if you're adding more than one person to the call. After you've selected all the members you wish to include, look for the Add button and click it. This will confirm your selections and add these individuals to your chat. You're now ready to start the call. Near the chat interface, you'll see an option labeled Meet Now. Click on this to launch a meeting immediately. This feature allows for quick transition into a call, perfect for spontaneous discussions or urgent matters. When prompted, you might want to ensure your audio and video settings are correctly configured. However, if this is intended to be an audio-only meeting, feel free to choose Continue without audio or video. Finally, you're all set. You've just successfully initiated a three-way call using Microsoft Teams. This method ensures that you can efficiently connect with colleagues easily and without hassle. Teams as a platform offers a robust way to manage electronic communications, and mastering its features can greatly enhance your collaboration abilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit it whenever you need to brush up on creating quick and easy three-way calls in Microsoft Teams.